Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to find a solution about Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Google Classroom. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.